Hey friends, I wanted to bring you a simple green bean recipe that tastes just as delicious as if you were making fresh green beans. So this is my easy smoked turkey green beans. So let's get started. I have some smoked turkey in a pot and I've added in some fresh garlic that's chopped. I'm adding in some salt, some pepper, some granulated garlic, some granulated onion, and I'm adding in some chicken bouillon. I cook that until my turkey is tender. As you can see, it's fall off the bone tender, but that broth, I'm telling you, oh my God, you want to slap your mom about that broth. It is so delicious. So I took the turkey out and I'm gonna let it cool, and I'm going to take it off of the bones because I don't want all those bones in there. So the key to the green beans is you wanna rinse them off out of the can. You want to make sure you rinse them at least 3 times and at least once with warm water. So I've added that to the pot. I've added in some fresh onion, and I'm adding in a little bit more ground black pepper, and then I'm going to stir and I'm going to taste my seasonings. And to make sure that it is tasting good, I'm gonna let this cook for about another 15 minutes. I'm going to add that meat back in. But here, as you can see, I'm tasting the broth. So here you can see where I've already pulled the meat off and it's already cool. So I'm gonna add that to the pot. And guess what, you guys, these green beans are done. Here are the green beans. Don't they look delicious? It looked like I spent hours making these green beans. Anyway, thank you for watching and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.